Hey there, side hustlers. Want to build a second income stream using affiliate marketing? You're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you step by step on how to get started and scale your affiliate marketing business. First things first, what is affiliate marketing? It's simple. You promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Think of it as being a middleman between the customer and the product. Step 1, choose your niche. This is crucial. Pick something you're passionate about and has a demand. Whether it's fitness, tech gadgets, or fashion, make sure it's something you can talk about endlessly. Use tools like Google Trends and market research to validate your niche. Next, find affiliate programs. Sign up for popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. These platforms offer a wide range of products and services you can promote. Don't forget to check out individual company websites. Many have their own affiliate programs. Okay, you've got your niche and your affiliate programs. What's next? Content creation. Create valuable, informative, and engaging content. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, or even social media posts. The key is to provide value to your audience while seamlessly integrating your affiliate links. Now let's talk about traffic. You need people to see your content. Use SEO to rank your blog posts higher on search engines. Leverage social media to share your content and drive traffic. If you can, invest in paid ads to boost your reach. Building an email list is another game changer. Offer a freebie like an ebook or a checklist in exchange for email signups. Email marketing allows you to promote your affiliate products directly to your subscribers. Tracking your performance is vital. Use analytics tools to see which links are generating the most clicks and conversions. This helps you understand what works and what doesn't, so you can refine your strategy. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build trust with your audience and see significant income. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't give up. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting and scaling your affiliate marketing business. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building your side hustle. Thanks for watching. Hashtags, affiliate marketing #, second income #, passive income #, marketing strategy.